Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. And we can see that Bitcoin right now coming down to $38,400 after this quite bullish candle that we had yesterday on the DBSI market cipher. We could see that we had a -5 and a 16 following that previous pump that we got from 42,500, but ultimately reversing down. And we did get a nice bounce at this green block, coming back up to 40,000, but then we ended up trending a little bit higher. You can see right here on the BTC TO2 chart, we did break the support, came back up, retested it as resistance, and now rolling over, coming down to 38,400 at the moment. So if you guys want access to these charts, you can definitely join the Discord, $10 a month before prices go up. I'm not gonna say when, but if you join in, you get to lock in that rate, that price at a lower rate. So let's get back into it. We can see right here on this chart, on the little bit of an ascending triangle that we have, we are currently at support. If we do break down from here, we still have this gigantic major trend, as we can see right here, acting as major support. So if we come back down, you're going to see some support coming in at where's my favorite toolbar, there we go. You're going to see some support coming in at 34,385, so or 34,400, 500, around that level. You're going to see some significant amount of support. Could be a possible bounce, long area. I myself might be looking into placing some longs around those levels, so we're just gonna have to see. But right now, you know, even though we got that green dot yesterday, that money flow on the daily time frame looked like it was coming back up, about to cross into the green, but now we're getting a red dot, VWAP coming down, and the momentum waves are starting to look like they're coming down as well. You can look at the 12 hour as well. We're now getting a red X and a 19 and a -5, so quite bearish in my opinion. And we are in the red money flow on the 12 hours, so you could expect some more downside coming, possibly in the next couple of days. And we take a look at some even shorter time frames. You can see on the 4 hour, we are in the red money flow, so not too great. Momentum waves are starting to come down as well, and the VWAP looks like it's about to anchor down as well. So overall, not too bullish at the moment. Looking for some more shorts than longs. And let's take a look at Ethereum as well. You can see we did come down yesterday, and we tested this today as support, 25.79, and then or like 26.33, either one, but most likely the lower end is always going to be stronger support. So 25.79, bouncing off these levels, coming up to 26.46 there, but ultimately again rolling over down, and now we're going to have some major support coming in at 2400 to 2300. So if you guys want access to these charts, you can join the Discord. You're going to be able to long and short at exact places. All right, moving on. Let's take a look. Once again, you know, things were looking quite good. Like I said before, they were looking good, right? Until we got rejected from here. And now on this weekly time frame, we were looking quite bullish. But now that there's 2 days left in 22 hours, if we don't pump up past this blue line, in my opinion, you know, that 50% market correction on April 4th could be coming. You know, we might bottom out around those levels. So let's just keep an eye out, see what's going to be happening. Again, I may not be right about this, but you know, I have reason to believe that we could be coming down to these levels. Just take a look at what's happening in the world today. The CPI came out, 7.9% inflation year over year. We had 7.5% previous month, and it's pretty big increase, meeting expectations today, I believe. So let's take a look at that quickly. Right here, CPI numbers. Okay, it's not showing anymore, but previously it was 7.5. Last month expectations were set at 7.9. I'm pretty sure I showed it in the video yesterday, so if you guys want to check that out, you can go ahead. Gold holding strong today on that inflation news. You know, usually we pump up and sell off. Like I said yesterday, you know, inflation news comes up, we pump up, and then we sell off right after. But today, gold had a pretty steady day, just moving sideways, so not too much action there. Oil coming down as well to 106. Now we're getting below 107. So if we come down, we might see $93. So let's just keep a close eye on that. But for the time being, $100 is some strong psychological level there. So always take that into account. Moving along, let's go back to Bitcoin. I think I was talking about Bitcoin. Yeah, there we go. We're talking about Bitcoin here on the weekly time frame. If you look at the bigger picture on the monthly time frame, you know, the correction has started on the monthly candles, as you can see right here in previous bull cycles. You could see that in 2018, once we were in the MACD, started to get into the red, you saw we had a big 50% correction once we got going. Same thing for 2014 as well. You can see right here, once we start to get into that red money flow, we really declined quickly. Another I guess this one you could say is a 60% correction or 50%, but honestly, again, a major correction. And we might be coming down to that 200 weekly or even that 300 weekly at 14,000. So keep an eye on those levels, guys. But yeah, overall, looks like Bitcoin's starting to dump right now. If we do come down, like I said before, you're going to see some support coming in at 34,700, or you could look at this chart as well, which is 34,600, 34,500, around that area. But if we break this level, you're going to see some major support coming in at $31,000 and $29,000. So I don't expect those levels to break anytime soon. I expect the bulls to be fighting, to hold these levels. There's some major buy orders at these levels, so always keep an eye on that. Anyways, guys, thanks for supporting the channel. If you want to support it even more, you can sign up for BitGet Trading. Links in the description, and you can sign up for the Discord, and you can get access to all these charts. We don't only look at Bitcoin, we look at stocks, indexes, commodities, the DXY dollar strength index, which by the way is pumping right now, which is bearish for Bitcoin, now retesting previous resistance as support. So if you guys wanted to long the dollar here, this would have been a good point. Anyways, right now markets are moving sideways, but we're just gonna have to see what happens at market open. Thanks, guys. You guys have been awesome. We're at 8,400 subscribers. We're gonna have that big giveaway once we get to 10,000. Love you guys. Peace.